Jesus had to go somewhere in a quiet place. We know the story. He left the disciples that day. They were supposed to be praying and watching too, but who knows what they were doing. But if Jesus had to go somewhere quiet by himself to pray and ask God for something, what do you think we are supposed to do? How are we supposed to get strength if we don't fall on our face and ask God for it? How are we supposed to get through? Bless us through it. I can't do it by myself, especially not when I'm woe is me. Why me? How come me? How come it's got to be my house? How come it's got to be my job? Why it's got to be my car that's in an accident? That's what we're asking God. And he said, why not you? Why not you? Why not you? Didn't I make you? Didn't I give you the car? Am I not still God? Can't I give you another one? Can't I bring you through? Can I bring you to it? So we're wallowing needlessly. God hasn't changed. So the same God that gave that car want to give another one? I've seen him do it. I've seen him do it. So my point is, let's stop wallowing in it. Let's stop being so woe is me and why me, and just ask God for strength through the storm. You know, Rihanna sang a song about an umbrella. Who is your umbrella? I don't know who she was talking to or about. But if Jesus ain't your umbrella, then you're going to be in the rain. You're going to perish in the rain. So we got to allow him to be our umbrella. We got to ask him to cover us through everything. Because we're going to go through some stuff. Let's not be confused. We're going to go through some stuff. But if God is covering us and protecting us, you can walk out of an accident, have a broken neck, and destroy a 2007 vehicle, but you can be all right. What God will do, he might let you hurt a little while. He might even let you bleed or have to have surgery. But he's covering you so you're still here. We wouldn't fall. Even in the midst of the storm, we're going to be all right, no matter what. You ain't got to worry about the rain. Why? Because he got you. Because he got you. Your boys don't have you. Your girls don't have you, brother. And guess what? I don't even want y'all to. Because when I'm reaching out to Retta, to MJ, to Tasha, what I'm saying. So I want you to have tap for the same umbrella. So if you ain't holding Jesus, I want to call Camille.
Come on.
It might make it to Facebook. The deliverance has happened. We got to be careful who we calling when we're in a storm. you doing, Michael? He's somewhere chilling on the pillow. Ready to bless you. Waiting to bless you. Why? Because he knows. He already knows. I'm worried about money. Thousand hills belong to him. I got you. I got all the money that the. So why would I be worried about finances?
Shit's ugly.
Jesus, take care of that. Take care of that. You know how they say take care of the lightweight? That's all our stuff is lightweight. Come on, think about it. We don't have no major problems.
Amen.
They're major to us. I know, because we're going through this. But for real, when we know God, ain't no such thing. Ain't no such thing.
Save it.
And guess what? Even if he does not
That's what's up.
choose to bring us out of it,
That's what's up.
he's still able. He's still able. So what we have to do, keep on praising. Some stuff we gotta go through. We need tough, thick skin. That's what it builds.
What you doing?
Mary said, don't be mad at the things you've been through, because they built your muscle. What? They do build your muscle. So when the next battle, you're more us that power to say, peace be still. We can command the winds and the waves to behave. To cease and stop. And they'll obey. They'll obey. Try it the next time somebody wants to argue with you. The next time they want to argue with you, you just say, peace be still. First they're going to be thinking you crazy because they want to cuss and fuss and argue. But then they going to realize, oh, she for real, for real. And they going to shut up and sit down. Amen? That's what they will do. They going to shut up and sit down. The next set of scriptures. So this tells us there are two kinds of people. Two kinds. And after this, I ain't going to tell you which kind you are. You're going to determine on your own. You're going to tell me. Okay? Verse 24 says, whoever hears these teachings of mine and obeys them is like a wise man who built his house on a rock.
What's up, baby?
Why? So when we're in the storm, we can go through it two ways. Like a wise man or like a fool.
Amen.
A wise man knows that no matter the battle, no matter the situation, God's got me. God's got me. God's got me. I'm covered. I'm going to be all right. As I was meditating and studying on this word, God reminded me that when I was a child, I prayed and asked him to not let me perish in a car accident. I forgot all about that. My father died in a car accident when I was 7 months old. So that was the first tragic example that I had. So I guess my mama had already taught me to pray when she taught me about that. So he reminded me of that this week, and I was like, okay, God, thank you for confirmation and letting me know I might wreck the car, I might be a little hurt, but I'm going to be all right. Because you hear and you honor and you answer those prayers. But if we ain't wise, we ain't praying. If we ain't wise, we're letting the storm overtake us. It's like a tsunami. We just slide down the mud here. Don't know where we go land. But if you're wise and your faith, your foundation is built on the rock, that rock is Jesus.
Amen.
You're good. You realize you got to go through, so what you doing? You're just praising your way through it. I'm not saying you're not complaining sometimes. You're still human. When you get in a storm, he don't make you be a robot just because you spiritual.
Crazy.
Just because you
I'm crazy.
He don't turn you into a robot to get through it. You're still human.
I'm crazy.
And Satan is still poking you, saying, girl, that hurt. Girl, you ain't
I like to
girl.
eat.
He's still picking at you. So you're human. And we fall down. The key is get back up again.
Amen.
So again, he never said we wouldn't go through stuff. It's how we go through. As a wise man,
Son,
or as a fool.
remember that? Oh,
So, when the wise man had his house built on a rock, that rock is Jesus, it rained hard. The floods came and the winds blew and beat against that house. But it did not fall because it was built on rock. What does that mean?
I came from my show.
We gonna go through some heartache, some pain, some trials, some tribulations, some troubles, some situations, some stuff. But how we get through it is with Jesus. We gotta be sure, be very sure that our anchor holds and grips the solid rock. We can't put our anchor out and it's going to the sand. It's got to grip the solid rock. And that's Jesus. Otherwise, we're never going to get through our situation. We're going to keep going through it, keep going through it, keep going through it, keep going through it. We're never going to get to it. Why? We just done dug our heels in the sand. We ain't hollered out and said, Jesus, help me. Jesus, I know that you are able to help me.
Thank you.
Ain't nothing wrong with crying out. He wants us to cry out to him. No matter the situation. There's nobody in here too young or too old to cry out to Jesus. If you don't do it, where does that leave you? In trouble, in a situation, stuck like Chuck.
Crazy. What you trying to wake up?
And then the next scripture says, whoever hears these teachings of mine and does not obey them is like a foolish man who built his house on sand. It rained hard, the flood came, and the winds blew and beat against that house, and it fell with a loud crash. So if we're not with Jesus, who we with? What the rapper say? Who you with? Who you with? Who you with? If it ain't Jesus that you're with, who you with? I don't want to be with nobody else. I don't care who else anybody else is with.
Am I in a read?
I want Jesus on my team. That's a guaranteed win. Hello? That's a guaranteed win.
Oh, I thought I was in blue. I'm like, what the?
We have got to have Jesus on our team in order to win, in order to have any success. So that's how we get through the storm. So we can either fare the weather with Jesus or we can try it on our own. On our own, there is no success. On our own, there is no peace. On our own, there is no victory. We can get it twisted and listen to Satan, and he'll make us think, oh, well, you can do this, that, or the other, and you win. No, you don't. My grandmother used to tell us, do wrong, and wrong will follow you. Which simply means you can do wrong for so long.
Melly, I don't think
The
this is going
brick
to work
wall
out.
is going to come before you at some point.